Looking for power, performance, and stunning visuals in one machine? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best gaming laptop right now, built to deliver ultra-smooth gameplay, lightning-fast performance, and unbeatable graphics for every gamer. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ASUS Gaming Laptop Right Now. The ASUS Gaming Laptop Right Now stands at the top of gaming innovation, built for players who demand unmatched speed, visuals, and performance. Featuring the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 275HX and the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 GPU based on Blackwell architecture, this machine delivers raw power for next-level gameplay and creative workloads. Its DLSS 4 and Max-Q technologies ensure ultra-smooth graphics and exceptional frame rates, perfect for modern AAA titles. The 32GB DDR5-5600 MHz RAM and 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD make multitasking effortless and allow lightning-fast load times for massive game libraries. The 240Hz ROG Nebula display offers stunning clarity and brightness with Dolby Vision HDR, ensuring every scene looks vibrant and lifelike. ASUS's advanced cooling with vapor chamber, tri-fan system, and liquid metal keeps the performance stable even under heavy loads. The customizable 360 degrees RGB light bar and RGB keyboard add style, while stealth mode provides a professional, distraction-free look. Running on Windows 11 Home, it combines elite gaming performance with productivity features, making it ideal for both gamers and creators. Whether you're competing online, streaming content, or editing videos, the ASUS Gaming Laptop right now redefines what portable power feels like. It's not just a gaming laptop, it's a complete performance powerhouse designed for speed, precision, and immersive entertainment. Number 2. Acer V16s Gaming Laptop Right Now. The Acer V16s gaming laptop right now pushes the boundaries of performance with its AI-powered AMD Ryzen 7 260 processor, optimized for gaming, content creation, and heavy multitasking. With NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5060 GPU powered by Blackwell architecture, this laptop offers cinematic ray-traced visuals and industry-leading realism. Backed by DLSS 4 and 5th Gen Tensor cores, it delivers fluid frame rates and enhanced ray reconstruction for lifelike lighting and reflections. The 16-inch Wuxka display, 1920 by 1200, with 100% sRGB color accuracy and a 180Hz refresh rate ensures vibrant, smooth gameplay. Its 32GB DDR5-5600 MHz RAM and 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD provide blazing performance with plenty of storage for your favorite titles and creative assets. Connectivity is seamless with Wi-Fi 6, Killer Ethernet E2600, and a USB 4 port that supports power delivery, data transfer, and video output in one. The dual-fan, quad intake, and exhaust cooling design keep temperatures under control during long gaming sessions. Whether you're at home or gaming on the go, the Acer V16s keeps you ahead with superior speed and reliability. From AI-enhanced performance to stunning visuals and efficient cooling, it's a complete gaming companion for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its sleek design, strong internals, and modern features, the Acer V16s gaming laptop right now sets a new benchmark for portable gaming excellence. Number 3. Acer Gaming Laptop Right Now. The Acer Gaming Laptop right now brings performance and style together for gamers who demand speed and precision. Equipped with the Intel Core i7-13620H processor, it's designed to handle demanding workloads like gaming, recording, and streaming simultaneously without compromise. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU with DLSS 3.5 AI graphics enhances visual realism through advanced ray tracing and improved image reconstruction. Enjoy crisp and fluid gameplay on its 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 165Hz refresh rate, delivering minimal motion blur and outstanding color accuracy. Inside, the laptop comes with 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD for fast load times and effortless multitasking. Stay connected with high-speed Wi-Fi 6, Killer Ethernet E2600, and a Thunderbolt 4-port offering fast data transfer, power delivery, and video output. Its dual-fan cooling system ensures sustained performance during long gaming marathons, keeping components cool and quiet. The sleek gradient design gives it a futuristic aesthetic, perfect for both gaming and creative use. With its balanced power and versatility, this laptop is perfect for gamers, streamers, and professionals looking for reliability and smooth operation. The Acer gaming laptop right now delivers exceptional graphics, superior cooling, and all the connectivity you need to stay competitive and productive wherever you go. Number 4. MALLRACE Gaming Laptop, right now. The MALLRACE gaming laptop right now delivers dependable performance for gamers and professionals seeking a balance between power and practicality. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5000 series processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, it easily handles complex workloads and multitasking. With 16GB DDR4 memory and a 512GB NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD, it provides fast data processing, smooth multitasking, and quick boot-up times. The integrated 1MP HD webcam and dual noise-canceling microphones make it ideal for virtual meetings or streaming, while the built-in dual speakers deliver clear, rich audio for an immersive multimedia experience. Its cooling system combines a single fan and dual copper heat pipes, ensuring stable performance even during heavy use by effectively dissipating heat. The laptop's Windows 11 OS offers modern tools for gaming, productivity, and everyday computing. While it's more of a mid-tier gaming solution, the MALLRACE laptop excels in reliability and efficiency, perfect for casual gamers and professionals who need strong multitasking power. The design is practical yet stylish, and its lightweight build makes it easy to carry around. Whether you're editing videos, playing esports titles, or handling demanding applications, the MALLRACE gaming laptop right now ensures a consistent and smooth experience and an excellent value point. Number 5. KAIGERR Gaming Laptop, right now. The KAIGERR Gaming Laptop right now is an impressive light gaming and productivity companion powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor based on Zen 3 architecture. With 8 cores, 16 threads, and up to 4.3 GHz clock speed, it delivers excellent multitasking and gaming performance for both work and entertainment. The 16GB DDR4 RAM ensures efficient multitasking, while the 512GB NVMe SSD provides fast load times and generous storage for all your apps, documents, and games. Its full HD thin bezel display offers crisp visuals and immersive viewing, complemented by integrated AMD Radeon graphics that deliver sharp and smooth rendering for light to mid-level gaming. Connectivity is excellent, with multiple ports including HDMI, USB 3.2, Type-C, memory card slot, and a 3.5mm audio jack, giving you versatile device compatibility. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 guarantee fast, stable wireless connections. The KAIGERR laptop stands out with its portable and durable design, built for both travel and long-term use. It offers solid performance for creative professionals, students, and gamers who prefer mobility without sacrificing power. Backed by a responsive customer support system and efficient design, this laptop ensures smooth day-to-day use and reliable performance. The KAIGERR gaming laptop right now perfectly balances affordability, performance, and build quality, making it a smart choice for users seeking a well-rounded and modern computing experience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.